Okay, in this quick tutorial I will show you how you can easily add status on WhatsApp web on PC, so you can upload status whenever you want from your computer. Go to Google and type in Google Chrome Web Store extensions. Now click on the first link. Now go to a search bar and type in WhatsApp Plus. Now wait and let the results show. Now click on WhatsApp Plus and click on Add Extension. Now, when you have it, let it download and click on the extension's logo and go to WhatsApp Plus and just go over and pin it. Now, open WhatsApp Web on your PC and click on the extension. As you can see, multiple choices appear here, but we want to choose this one that says Post Status. Now, a new panel appears in which we must choose an image or video we have on our PC and drag it here. Now, once we have it, we can add text and color background. It's really a nice tool and very useful. Now, as you can see, the status has been uploaded, and now we can see it and everyone can see it. So I hope this tutorial has helped you, and thank you for watching this video.